Welcome guys, today I am with Sony LinkBuds and I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode on this device. Okay, so first of all we have to open the case by using this button at the front. So open it simply. And as you can see right now the indicator is on the green. It means that our battery level is fine. So we can simply move to the pairing mode. You have to rotate the case and find this button on the back. You have to click and hold it until this indicator in front starts blinking. So take a look. Click and hold it right now. Take a look on the indicator. As you can see right now it is blinking. So release, put it back and move to your phone. Select to pair new device and you will see that after a few moments this device will be visible. As you can see, there it is. Right now we can simply pair it with our smartphone or any other device. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.